Hey, thanks for stopping by Casks-n-Que, where whiskey and barbecue meet. I'm your host, Justin Lloyd, and today I'm going to show you how I made these amazing Oklahoma Onion Smashburgers. They're going to be delicious, so stick around. Now, those Oklahoma Onion Smashburgers are delicious. If you haven't had one, you need to try this recipe. Or you can drive to Oklahoma and go to that one restaurant that's famous for them. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll put the link in the description box below. Now, I'm using a white onion here. Now, when you're making an Oklahoma onion smash burger, you want these onion slices really super thin. So instead of trusting my knife skills today, I'm going to use one of these mandolins. Now, about a year ago, I sliced the crap out of the tip of my finger, so I'm going to definitely use the guard today. I always recommend, highly recommend using the guard. These things can be dangerous. Okay, so you see the spikes there. That's what's going to go into the onion or whatever you're cutting. In today's case, it's an onion. Tell you what, this is a heck of a lot easier than slicing with a knife. We're just going to do this whole onion. Let's kind of break them up so that they separate from themselves. All right, now we'll just grab these onions. Again, try to separate them a little bit, just like that. And we'll put them off to the side in a bowl. So we'll go ahead and let that hang out for about 15 minutes, and in the meantime, we're going to get our burgers ready. You always want to use 80-20 ground beef. 80-20 is the perfect fat to lean ratio, and in my opinion, makes the best burgers. We're going to do double patties today. Okay, about that size. Okay, so today we're going to be cooking on the Blaze LTE gas grill. We're going to be using grill grates. We're going to flip those grill grates upside down to the flat side so we get that great sear on the burger. All right, let's get that grill open. Go ahead and fire up the old Blaze. After that gets nice and hot, we're going to scrape that grill grate clean. I don't know if super duper hot is a technical term, but I think that's what this is. Let's scrape off all this stuff. That is super duper screaming hot. I cleaned the heck out of it. We're good to go. I went ahead and turned the grill down to medium high, and we're just gonna let that cool down before we start cooking. All right, we're gonna use this beef tallow. We're gonna throw that onto the grill grates. This is gonna help season up those burgers and give it a great flavor. This is from a smoked brisket that I did, I don't know, a couple months back. I'll put a link to that video in the description box below. All right, kind of chunky. Liquid gold. I am going to go ahead and get my buns on there. It won't take long. Already starting to get some color on there. I think we're good. Okay. We're going to go ahead and season these burgers with my GPS barbecue rub, made proudly here in Arkansas. I'll put a link in the description box below if you are interested in buying your very own GPS. All right, this is the tool we're gonna use. It's our Casks-n-Que burger smasher. I do like to use some wax paper to wrap around it so that it doesn't stick. All right, patty number one. There we go. The onion. More onion, you say? Yes. Don't worry about you, Mr. Patty in the back. Haven't forgot you. Yum. And we're gonna come in with our seasoning. Now once those get done on that one side, on the bottom side, I'll give it a flip. And you only get one shot at this, so you wanna make sure that it's just right on the bottom. This is starting to smell amazing. That beef seared with that flame that's kind of coming up through those holes mixed with that beef tallow. Man, this is gonna be something else. And you see that sizzle? That's what you're looking for. I think it's time to give this a flip. If it releases. If it doesn't release, then it needs more time. No, I think it needs more time. I was wrong. Okay, I think we're ready this time. Yep. Oh man. Perfect. All right, those got the color that I want. They're done and ready for cheese. You can use whatever you like here, but I like American cheese. I'll go ahead and close the lid to help that cheese melt. Okay, let's take a look. Oh yeah, that cheese is melting. I think we're good to go. All right, here's our bun that we set off to the side. I'm a mayo kind of guy. Whatever condiments you like, you use. This is what I like. I'm keeping it simple today. And we got some pickles. There we go. All right, here we go. A massive burger. Oh my God. I think we ought to cut this bad boy in half. What do you think? Oh man. Cheesy, onions, juicy, just awesome looking. Let's take a bite. This thing is massive. That's a burger. I gotta go in for a third bite. Oh, that is a burger. The crunchiness from the onions, the cheese, the GPS seasoning really takes it to another level. The crunchy bits on the edges of the beef patty from that awesome sear that we got on the GrillGrates. Forget about it. Just follow this recipe. It's simple and it's delicious. If you don't mind, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It's gonna help us out a lot. We appreciate you stopping by, and we'll see you next time.